Mr. Nagodiga. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'll be analyzing my chart for you, or analyzing current chart for you, so you see how I take my trade and how I make my analysis. So currently now we are in the daily time frame. As you can see here, market is creating our lower highs, lower low, lower high, lower low dynamic, and now we are currently in the lower low dynamic here. So what are we looking for now? So we're looking for our entry confirmation or signal. So we know that the market is currently bearish. So what do we want to do? I want to keep on looking for sell positions. And if you look at this zone right here, you see that market respected this demand zone. Instead of breaking past it, it respected the demand zone, creating what our failed reaction. So we know for a fact that maybe market hasn't grabbed enough liquidity to the downside. So go down to a 15-minute time frame. If you go down to a 15-minute time frame, you'll see that okay, market just swept liquidity above this high here. Market just swept this liquidity, and after market swept the liquidity, came back to retest the liquidity zone, because any liquidity zone is always what, a high probability zone, and that's where I want to bet my money on. Do you understand? A high probability zone. And looking at the left hand side here, after this liquidity sweep, market created our lower high and lower low, lower high, lower low. So now market, the current price looks as if it wants to break past this last lower high. And if you break past this last lower high with bearish confirmation, with like a liquidity sweep to the downside, then we'll know for a fact that okay, market want to grab more liquidity here before going to the downside. Because if you go down to the 5 minutes chart, you will see that we have a double double top at the left hand side here, and that's one of the confluences I have to have before validating any trade idea. Do you understand? So now market just mitigated our double top, although it did not break above the double top. It just tested the double top and came back to the downside. So we are anticipating a liquidity sweep above these tops here. Then I'll be looking for to take a sell trade from this zone here to the downside like this. So aside from that, guys, I won't be taking this setup, because this might just be what bullish breakout. Market could just break out here and start pushing to the upside. So we know for a fact that market always sweep liquidity before going to any direction it's going. But I want to bet my money on sell trade today, because a lot of factors. We are in festive period, dollar is gaining strength, and gold is depreciating in value, and people are taking their money off gold, selling their gold and exchanging it to currency. So I'm going to be looking for more of sales than buys this week, because yeah, that's just market sentiment. And if you understand market from a fundamental level, then I think the technical aspect shouldn't be an issue for you. Guys, that's basically how I spot my A plus setup. That's how I get my trade idea. Very simple. Simplicity is the key. I'm not here to make anything complex for you guys, just like all these gurus out here. Keeping it simple will always make your trading go easy for you and a lot smoother for you. You understand? So make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next video on how this trade play out.